Hi everybody, it's Earl, MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Check out the Chevelle Fathom Blue, black buckets interior, big block, 396 with a 4-speed, 12-bolt, posi traction. Super nice driver. Little older on the restoration, but still shows well. We'll go through it. All your front chrome and lights are all proper and working. There's your flavor. Power brakes, real clean in the engine cavity. Power steering, upgraded headers, high-rise manifold, 4-barrel pumper. Real nice. Done inside. Body panels are pretty much all there. It looks like 1/4 panel on the driver's side, but the whole panel was done. Lines up good. 396 badge. Dual sport mirrors. Hood's in real good shape. Great drivers. Thing runs out awesome. All your glass and moldings are good all the way throughout the car. Interior is real clean, and I'll show you. Doors in good shape. All your chrome. Rear quarter gaps out great to the door. No real paint flaws. I don't see any waves down the car. Rear chrome bumper's good. All your turn signals are working. 12-bolt traction bars. Nice little street beast. It's got a little bit of fade. You can't even see it, but I see it over here. It's a little bit in the paint because it's an older paint. Step off, it's fine. Your rear glass is good. Original quarter on this side, gaps out right. Roof has a little bit of fade on it too, but I'll get a wet sand and a clay and a buff on that and give it a little bit more shine. Door's in good shape. A couple tiny little chips on the bottom here. Door to the fender good. And it has a great stance. It's right where it should be. Got your pins in the hood. Back seat's in good shape. Rear deck is all there. Little tiny fade in it, but your headliner's in great shape. Dome light looks like it's working. It's all SS'd out. Buckets. I don't have any build sheets or anything like that, so I can't call it true for 71. But real clean all the way throughout. 4-speed manual, radio delete. Your dash is in great shape. And all your SS gauges. 124 miles on the odometer. Amps is working, your tack is working, gas gauge and temperature gauge is working, horn is working, and wipers, good. Sounds real good. So if you're looking for a Fathom Blue Chevelle 1971 big block 4-speed, we've got one. Black interior, buckets, nice car. Located in Addison, Illinois, 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. Open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 10 to 2. All by appointment only. Right sound. If you're looking to get some financing and you have good credit, we'll go up to 180 months with 10% down. We also have shipping all over the United States. Grab a pen and some paper. I'll give you my phone number. I can give you quotes on shipping. You can check out our website, mgmclassiccars.com in Addison. We've got over 170 cars in our 45,000 square foot sales department, as well as service on grounds. You can reach me. My name is Earl at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. Like us on Facebook. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We got more videos coming out daily. Once again, I'm Earl. We are MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. mgmclassiccars.com. 773-600-0919. Nice car, guys and gals. Treat yourself.